Hi, my name is Ashutosh, and in this video, we'll talk about linear permutation. One of the important topic from the counting methods from the permutation, because most of the questions that you can expect in the SAT, GMAT, GRE, CAT, any other exam will be based on the linear permutation only. Okay. Now, if we talk about the definition and the formula, the number of permutation, number of ways in which n things can be taken, uh, r at a time and expressed as npr. So if you have n things in total and you are taking r at a time from the n things, it will be expressed as npr. So you are taking r things means you are going to arrange them in a line. Okay. Then the number of ways in which we can arrange is npr, which we find out as n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay. If we talk about the question, the example here, Jenny wants the four wall of her living room, each one with the different colors. She had a total of 12 colors to choose from. How many ways or how many different ways she can paint the four walls? So if I have to figure out the number of ways in which you can see paint the four walls out of the 12 colors, it will be simply 12 P4. So it will be 12 factorial over 4 n minus 12, that is 8 factorial. Or we can also write on that 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial. Or you can simply write on as 12 into 11 into 10 into 9. This is another trick also, that whenever we are solving the linear permutation, and if I have to find out NP4, or NPR, in this case like 12P4. So instead of writing the whole formula, you can also write in just 12 into 11 into 10 into 9. So because there are four ways, there are four positions at which you have to arrange the things. So it will be like 12 into 11 into 10 into 9. So four numbers you'll be writing starting from the 12 in decreasing order. Okay. And you'll multiply all of them. So whatever number you are getting from here, that is your correct answer for this question. You can solve that. If we talk about the question, the question where you have n things, you are taking all the n things at a time. So a number of ways in which you can arrange n things at a time, all of them. Okay. The formula is like n factorial. So the question is, in how many different ways can the five friends, Andy, Bandy, Candy, Dandy, Andy, be made to stand in a line? So if I have to find out in how many ways they can stand in a line, we can simply write down here as there are five people, so 5 factorial. Or you can solve as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. So this is the way in which we solve the questions based on the factorials, based on the permutation and combination. This was about linear permutation. In the next video, we will talk about linear permutation with some restrictions. Thank you.